Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Reddit. Reddit is an American social news aggregation, content rating and discussion website. Registered users submit content to the site such as links, text posts, images and videos, which are then voted up or down by other members of Reddit. Now to sign up for Reddit, you need to visit the website of Reddit, which is reddit.com. As soon as you land on the website of Reddit, you can hit the sign up option located on the top of the screen. Now you can sign up using your Google account, your Apple ID, or using your email address. For now, I'm going to use my email address. Enter in your email address and then hit continue. Now you can choose a username. You can manually type it in, or you are also provided with some of the options that have not yet been taken. Then enter in a password. After that's done, click on sign up. And just like that, you have been signed up for Reddit. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.